Just like a normal day, they'll have their sessions. Cat will have Hope. Sawyer will have Winter.
Robert, Sienna,
Gateminder.
this is Arkansas snow.
Back here.
Kyle is
We don't get big flakes.
Anybody feels like
This-
they're in trouble, his word is law.
This is about as big as flakes we're gonna get. Every now and again they'll get a little bigger.
First of
I
all,
would walk on outside, but
everyone for their hard
that's
work.
all ice. I've done
Thank you.
bit the dust on those steps once this year already and skipped my elbow up pretty good, so I ain't going out.
Remember, no matter
Till
how
I
much
have
you
to.
love Hope and Winter, they are wild animals. They can fight, or rip each other with their teeth, and even draw blood.
That's what snow looks like, my friends.
Take a cheap shot when the other one's not looking. That's how they establish dominance in the wild. It's natural, but it can be rough. Reed, Rebecca, Jeanette, you guys have the net, right?
Yeah.